At Yibi, we specialize in delivering high-quality, high-volume production with precision and consistency. With over 50,000 square meters of intelligent manufacturing space in Shenzhen and Dongguan, our operations are built for scale and performance. A team of over 700 professionally trained technicians operates world-class equipment to ensure that every process remains fast, stable, and controlled. Raw materials are inspected, stored, and enter production within 48 hours. Rough components are produced within 24 hours. CNC systems run 24 hours a day, producing 10,000 to 50,000 pieces per day. MIM injection molding lines have a capacity of 150,000 to 300,000 pieces per day. All core processes are completed in-house, supported by 37 custom-developed machines and proprietary systems that surpass industry standards in accuracy, efficiency, and reliability. High automation ensures stable output and high yield, with a pass rate consistently exceeding 99%, far above the industry average, demonstrating our strong commitment to quality and scalability. Yibi delivers what premium global brands require: quality, efficiency, scalability, and trust.